Welcome back to Electrified Reviews. In the spotlight today is the UF1200 or Urban Flex from ZOOZ, a powerful electric bike that boasts robust features and a versatile riding experience, something the brand refers to as versatility. The UF1200 sits at the upper end of the Ultra series and is the latest release from ZOOZ. With a price tag of $3,300, let's dive into the specs to see if this monster deserves the top tier price. If you want to see our comparison between this and the UU1100, you can check that out via the link in the description. Let's get into it. The Urban Flex comes equipped with a powerful 52-volt direct drive motor rated at 750 watts and peaking at an impressive 1800 watts. This potent motor allows the bike to reach speeds well above 30 miles per hour, setting it apart from many competitors. A whopping 25 amp hour battery with LG cells powers the motor, offering a minimum all-throttle range of only 30 miles and an extended range of up to 45 miles with pedal assist at 20 miles per hour. Both throttle and pedal assist features are available, with the throttle being the main use for this type of bike. Now, the UU1100 is a bit smaller, so the pedaling experience there isn't great, but the Flex, with its longer and taller frame, makes the pedaling here not too shabby. While all the ZOOZ bikes ship limited at 20 miles per hour, the maximum speed can be adjusted via the display, allowing riders to fully exploit the bike's capabilities. And exploit them, we did. This thing hits 32 miles per hour easily, and I hit 34 a few times on a decline. The UF1200's frame is crafted from 4130 chromoly steel. While this is a little bit heavier than some of the aluminum bikes that we see, it does make the frame a lot beefier. Despite the hefty total weight of 85 pounds, the bike can accommodate a load capacity of up to 350 pounds. With a seat height of 33.5 inches, this e-bike is suitable for larger riders and ideal for those ranging from 5'7" to 6'5" in height. Now, I am 5'10", so when I'm talking about the pedal experience, that is going to be my pedal experience, and like I mentioned, it's pretty decent here. The cockpit is slick, and I'm a huge fan of the BMX look and feel, so I enjoyed the heck out of it. The grips are good. I'd probably swap those out if I was going to keep it long term. Not a con, really, just personal preference. The thumb throttle is something we've seen on a lot of e-bikes, so nothing unique here, but it worked well and I don't have any complaints about it. The headset is another really cool feature because it's ZOOZ custom headset with an integrated headlight. I saw this for the first time at Electrify Expo with David Brand New. You guys can check out his video to see how last year's Expo was, and I was a big fan of the ingenuity and sleekness that this brought to the bike. The highlight of this bike for me is that it's full suspension. The front features a triple clamped full stanchion air fork with adjustable compression and rebound, 85 millimeters of travel on that one. The rear boasts dual coil over shocks with adjustable preload and rebound, offering 65 millimeters of travel. There's some adjustments you can make there as well to really dial in the ride feel that you're after. All in all, this is one of the more comfortable e-bikes I've ridden, and compared to the non-suspension 1100 I have, it was cool to get that same ride feel that I enjoy with the bonus of full suspension. The last part of the suspension is going to be the saddle. This thing is super comfortable while not being overly puffy. It has a nice finish to it and seems like it'll survive some serious wear and tear. Someone, and I won't say who, got some small handprints that were covered in chalk all over it, and it came right off. So I think this will stand up to the elements pretty well. We only get a single gear here, but it's far from a con in my opinion. It's easy, keeps the cockpit clean, and for the majority of the riding you'll be doing here, one gear is all you need. The Urban Flex employs robust hydraulic disc brakes with large 203mm rotors on both the front and the rear, ensuring reliable and responsive stopping power, something that's great to see since it's a bit heavier and goes flying down the road at 30 plus miles an hour. The bike rolls on oversized 24 by 3.2 inch ZOOZ sticky sweet puncture resistant tires lined with aramid fiber for added durability. These tires look nice but also have a great ride feel. Paired with the full suspension, it's just a sweet combo. A sticky sweet combo, if you will. The fenders are a custom design that has an air of retro, but also a pop of a futuristic vibe. And that's my New Yorker-esque bit for today. They provide enough coverage as well, so they look cool and they do their jobs. Not much to complain about there. Now, normally at this part of the review, we would do the ride test, but it's hard to beat the initial ride test we did when we first got it, so you can check out the first look review we did here and skip straight to the ride test if that is what you're after. In conclusion, the ZOOZ UF1200 is a high-performance e-bike designed for thrill seekers. Its powerful motor, large battery, full suspension system, and oversized puncture-resistant tires make it a versatile ride that caters to both urban commuting and off-road adventures. While it is a heavy bike, its robust construction and load capacity make it suitable for larger riders, delivering an e-bike experience that is as thrilling as it is comfortable. The UF1200 truly lives up to its name by offering an unrivaled blend of flexibility and excitement. So what do you guys think? Coolest e-bike of 2023? If not, what is? Would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for riding with us, and we'll catch you on the next one.